Hi everybody, it's Wendy Lee. Welcome back to my channel. Today I wanted to share with you an HSN haul that I did. I recently pulled the trigger and I bought the Gemini Pro machine. Oh my gosh, I can't believe I did it, you guys. I have been eyeing it for a really long time and I'm going to show you what it's in my room behind me, and it's kind of messy back there because I'm still organizing my craft room, but I'll show you the bundle that I got and the options that you have to pay for it or to pay it off. So this is what I got. It's called the Crafter's Companion Gemini Pro Machine and Bundle, and it's normally $5.99, but HSN for the longest time has had it for $549.95. Well, right now it's $464, and you can do 3 flex pays of $154.98, which they bill you monthly. Or if you have their credit card, which I do, sorry about my finger, you can do 12 months of VIP financing, which is what I'm doing. So I think this is such a good deal. So I'm going to show you the bundle, and then I also ordered some other stuff while I was online there. So let's get started. Let me move my monitor out of the way. Okay, so this was part of the bundle. You got this origami favor box. It's a paper craft die and box stencil. So there's that. And then you also got this in the bundle. This is called a handled favor box. Then you got the Falling Hearts large stencil and the Moroccan tile. And then you also got these papers, pearlescent cardstock. Oh my gosh, can you guys hear my cat? She is so upset that the door is shut. She is like, who do you think you are locking me out of this room, lady? I own this house. Then it came with this paper craft die. This one's called Regal. And it came with this one, which is called Beautiful Butterflies. You can see how you can make the butterflies go, like make their wings pop up a little bit. And I think that's everything in the Gemini bundle. So I'm so excited, you guys. I cannot wait to start playing with it. I also ordered some other things while I was on HSN. So let's get started with that. I cannot believe they had these on HSN. So I ended up getting 2 of them. They had Maggie Holmes, I don't know what they call this. They call it something. What I bought. Let me look it up. Let's go to orders. It's like some kind of bundle. And I'll tell you what it's called. Maggie Holmes Garden Party Paper Crafting Kit. So I got 2 of them. And so it comes with this paper pad. So with all the pretty papers, I'm so glad to have 2 of these. I just love Maggie Holmes, and I'm super excited that I was finally able to get the 12 by 12s. So I got 2 of those, and it also came with the thickers, the alphabet thickers, and it came with these, the 68 stickers. So here's the other set, and let's see, it came with the sticker roll, and then it also came with 7 washi tapes, and the set was only $24.95, you guys, which I think is such a good deal because normally these paper pads alone are like 20 bucks each. So let me see. Oh, it also came with the super adorable resin stickers. And I think that's it for the set. So what a good deal. So yeah, $24.95, and you can also do flex pay if you wanted to. You can do 3 payments of $8.32. And I got a few more things. I got some of this beautiful Sizzix paper. It's called Opulent Cardstock Pack. And look how beautiful that paper is, you guys. So it comes with these different papers here. So I got 2 of those. Then I got this die cut set. This one's called Seasons. And I don't know if I'm going to be able to show it to you that good. Let me go back to my order because it might be better to show it to you that way. It's called, oops, I clicked on the wrong thing. So it's called Diamond Press Seasons Set. So you can see it has like some cute stamps and then dies. And then I don't know what those are, you guys. I just really like the stamps and the dies. Let me see what the description says. So there's the dies, and then what does it say in the description? So it has 19 stamps on 2 clear sheets, 13 dies, 2 large embossing folders, 1 large blank folder, magnetic sheet, storage folder, and instruction sheet. And that one was $24.95 for that whole set. Then I got this from Stamps of Life, these holiday greeting die sets. So Happy New Year, Season's Greetings, Merry Christmas, Happy Holidays. And I got this Anna Griffin. This is called the Vignette Card Papers and Embellishments. This is going to be kind of hard to show you, so I might show you my computer screen. I don't know if you guys remember that I had purchased the Vignette die set, and I really wanted the papers that went with it because it's so cute how you can make this scene. So let me pull it up and then I'll show you. Hopefully it shows you pretty good what it is. So Vignette, yeah, it'll pretty much show you what it is. Let's see. So I'm gonna also show you the Vignette dies because I think that'll give you kind of like a whole idea of like what I'm going for here. So here in a past haul, I got, let me pull up I got the Vignette die set, right? So it comes with those, and then here's what you can make with it. Look how cute, how you can have a chandelier and everything. Now, what I got was I got the papers where a lot of the, like, see how there's the curtains and there's, you know, chairs and the different pretty papers. So that's what I got. What this time was the Vignette papers and embellishments. So there's that. I've got a few more things coming from HSN, but sometimes they ship their things separately, probably because they're waiting for the manufacturer to send more to them. But anyway, I wanted to share that, you guys. Let me know if you want to know how I like the Gemini Pro or if you want to see it in action. I haven't even used it yet. I literally have just put it on a table. I don't know where exactly I'm going to keep it yet. I don't know if I'm going to move my Cricut out of the way and put it over there because I tend to gravitate towards my die cutting machines more than I do my Cricut, which is terrible. I should be using my Cricut more often. But anyway, wanted to share that with you. Hope you're all doing well. Thank you so much for watching. Take care. Talk to you soon. Bye.